Hi, I'm Tyler. Welcome to Turf Teq. Today we're going to be walking you through some of the features of the Turf Teq Power Rake, as well as showing you a typical application where the Power Rake really excels. So as you can see here, we have some burnout spots, we have some low spots in a homeowner's backyard, and we also have a tree root that we're looking to cover up. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring in some topsoil, we're going to level it out with the Turf Teq Power Rake, and then we're going to come back and spread some grass seed, finishing it all off with straw. So as you can see, this is blended in perfectly with the surrounding turf, and in a matter of weeks, we'll have beautiful grass growing here. So we've got a couple more spots to do. We're going to get back to work. If you have any questions, give us a call.